Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited you're here. It's your girl Lavender Storm. So we are opening our Christmas advent calendar from Sugoi Mart and by Japan Crate. Yeah, I can't talk today. Anyway, so I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I'm always excited. And I decided to wear kitty cat ears because yesterday we got a cute little kitty and he's black, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to wear kitty ears. So anyway, I hope everybody's day is going well. Almost Christmas, right? Excited? Still doing shopping? Tell me, let's see what type of presents you guys are getting. I'm getting, of course, all the shopping stuff. So it's great. But, I mean, let me know. Put in the comments. Tell me what you're getting. All right. See you later. All right, guys. We're back. So you can see our pristine, or once pristine, advent calendar. Looks kind of destroyed. But that's the fun about it, right? We get all these cool presents. So let's recap. Thunder bars for day 1. Day 2. Pack 3. Kirby. 4. Having tea. Matcha. So appropriate. Such an appropriate little gift under this panel. 5. Sushi. 6. Bunny rabbit. 7. What better way to enjoy chocolate than reading books? Manga. 8. Relaxing with her nice face mask. 9. An awesome curry. 10. Happy noodle. 11. Marshmallows. 12. Cheesecake Kit Kats. 13. Food plate. 14. 15. Again, I always forget what everything is. 14. Couple of biscuits. 15. More awesome food. 16. Was our cinnamon roll. 17 was our black kitty cat, to which I'm wearing my cute little ears. Stephanie comes back in here is like crazy. 17. Alright guys, 18 on the other side of 3. 18. 18. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh. What is this? Shin-chan! Oh my goodness, I love Shin-chan. The nano block set for Shin-chan. Oh, I love this little guy. I had his pudding. His butt-shaped pudding. If you've never seen this cartoon, I swear it is. I feel like it's not for kids, but oh my gosh, it is funny. It's incredibly funny. But it's Shin-chan. Woo woo! Excited. Nano blocks. All right. Day 18! Woo! Only a couple more to go. I'm so excited about 24. Look at that. I would love to live in a place like that. Look at that. That's awesome. How comfortable, right? So, can't wait for 24. Alright, guys. See you later.